Ia ka thup kyrteng joki nongthep but la plai pejba aki lai tali ki constituency. Bakan thup ia ka lai pu ar noston lai pu lai mo thengkut ba lai pu saw ram rai jerngam. Barka jing penuh kyrteng thamai ia ki samla ki balakan jo kat prasnem kat adu ka shitri kelalengkot ara jarap huwei. La pendep ba la plai pejba menta kasngi da upidi sangma u deputy commissioner ka West Khasi District. Hakani kasngi la khot langru ia ki nelam jo ki seng sain perthei. Bakinya don lang bat ban shimti ia ki thup kyrteng jong ki constituency Henry Kim Shemlai Poilut. Ki nelam seng sain perthei ki balapoi kilong tang na ka HSPDP bat NPP. Na ka HSPDP ram berai jerngam lawan mikmat do ba KP pangyang UMLA barim hakaba ulu shimtiru ia ki thup kyrteng jong ki nongthep but apo ka constituency.
Defects are removed, that is one. Then another one is house to house visit by BLOs in their respective polling stations, and also proper formation of the sections. That is one activity that has to be done as pre-revision activity, and the other one is rationalization of rationalization of polling stations. The number of voters which does not require for creation of new polling stations. So these are the pre-revision activities that we have already carried out, and I take this opportunity to thank all the EROs, the BLOs, supervisors, and even the BLS of political parties for having extended all cooperation and support for carrying out all these pre-revision activities. The BLO supervisors and also BLS to extend all support to the election machinery in the district, so that we can come up with a very healthy and very error-free vote. So once again, I would like to request all of you to ELOs, maybe the assistant engineers of election of DC election office. I'm also very glad and delighted to see our political parties representatives, including our ex-MLA and also other officers. One is on 13th and another special campaign is on 20th. So these 2 days are earmarked for special campaign during this revision period. And again, we will require the cooperation, the help, and the efforts of all the EROs, the BLO supervisors, and also the BLS appointed